You want me to say that this can be God? God helps those who help themselves. Did you know that every single moment, every single day I spend creating content is a step closer to your next paycheck? I mean, even me, even you. That's right. What you do daily determines your monthly earnings. For me, it's the best feeling ever to wake up today and I find a monthly paycheck that I expected because I'm doing it. Do you know that feeling to wake up on 21st of every month and see that payment hit your account? And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make it happen. I know some of you know how I make it happen, but there are some people who are just seeing this video, they don't know how I do it on a daily basis. And how can you do it too? Because it's not about me, it's about you. Before we dive in, I would love to appreciate every individual that makes it happen. And a special thanks, special really, I honor you. You know yourself, that person that whenever the video drops, you're there to put engagement, you're there to like, you're there to share, and you're there to give it watch time till the end. And also special thanks to our new subscribers who have decided to come and join us. Your seats are open. I always give you this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial consultant. I bring for you the things that have worked for me, that have worked for people around me, that have seen people give testimonies, and I give a testimony myself. So I bring the things that are workable. Let's dive in and see how we make it work. How YouTube pays, by the way. This is the first class of the video. How YouTube pays work. First, let's talk about how YouTube payments work. Once you join the YouTube Partnership Program, and how do you join YPP? You can start earning money from ads membership. You can earn money from super chats. You can earn money from a lot of things, even brands. But there is a catch here. YouTube pays you monthly, and the amount you earn depends on your daily efforts. It doesn't depend on on what people think otherwise, but your daily efforts makes you earn on a monthly basis. So let me break it down step by step such that you should know, because a lot of people have tagged views, have tagged subscribers, have tagged a lot of things to the monthly payments. Now this is the real truth, and the truth but nothing but the truth. What you do, here is how it works. I want you to be attentive. Here is how I earn on YouTube every month, and how you can do it too. One, you have to make sure you create consistent and high quality content. The foundation of earning on YouTube consistently, it is you to be consistent. If you want to earn monthly, you have also to be consistent. This is the thing that I've known, and I've tried it for good month, and it has worked for me. So what I do, I upload at least 2 to 3 videos, more than 3 videos per week. In fact, I'm uploading the minimum is 12 videos per week, or we can say 7 to 12 videos per week, meaning that every day I drop a video. If I don't drop 1 video, there will be 2. And I make sure every video provides value to my audience. Whether it is a tutorial, it is a review, or a vlog. I don't remember when I brought a video just for entertainment. It adds value. If it is entertainment also, it should be having something in it. Like, for example, if I bring a music, I'll be talking about how to make music turn into money, something like that. I focus on creating content that people want to watch. Remember, there are more views and watch time you get, the more the money you can earn. When we talk about this, people will target to views. You can have views which are not active, but I'm talking about the real active views. Let's go to the step number 2. Step number 2, I do optimize with CEOs. If you want your videos to be found, you need to optimize them for search. Here is what I do. I use tools like TubeBuddy, VIDQ to find the best keywords for my niche. I write compelling titles and description that includes those keywords. With the help of ChatGPT, with the help of VIDQ, I do this. I also add relevant tags to help YouTube understand what my video is all about. So you find, for example, my metadata is optimized. It has not reached to the standard because I'm not a specialist, but this is where we are going. For example, one of my top performing videos is entitled How to Make $30 from WhatsApp. It's simple, it's searchable, and exactly this is what people are looking for, because it is simple and everybody can use it. So you understand when I'm telling you to optimize for CEOs. The next step, what I do, I focus on engagement. Yes, engagement is the key. However, it is very hard because some people can come, watch and go. So YouTube algorithm loves engagement. The more likes, comments and share your videos get, the more YouTube will promote them. Here is how I boost it. I ask viewers to like, to comment, and even to subscribe at the end of every video, even the beginning. By the way, before we go very far, have you liked this video? Have you shared it to somebody? Let them know that you can money with YouTube. A lot of people don't talk about it. Then I respond to comment to build community. Whether they are negative or positive, I respond. I create eye-catching thumbnails that make people want to click. This one, at least we are doing it a bit better than before. So engagement does not just help your video to perform better. It also builds a loyal audience that keeps coming back. Kudos to you, our royal viewers who comes back every time. Then the step 4 is diversify your income. I do diversify my income, by the way. Ads are great and I earn majorly from ads, but this is what I recommend. They are not the only ones to earn from on YouTube. There are other ways you can make money from. Affiliate marketing, this one you can include links on your videos and you earn commission for every sale. You can also put channel membership. Like when we talk of affiliate marketing, I've used more of TapTap and I've gained a lot of money from TapTap Send. Then there's channel membership. My subscribers can join my channel for exclusive packs and I earn monthly from the membership, whereby I've been getting it. Super chats and super stickers is one of the things that you can have. This one involves, especially the viewers, when you're on live streams, they can give you some things and you highlight their messages. So diversifying your income streams, ensure you are not relying on just one source of revenue, is very good. However, for me, I'm not much into others apart from AdSense earning, and the money I've earned, or the money I always earn, 19% comes from AdSense earning, then like 10% comes from membership. So guys, as I've told you, every month I do earn on YouTube. This is what we're going to see. Here is the bottom line. On YouTube, it's about what you do daily. Every video you upload, every comment you reply to, and even every thumbnail you design brings you closer to your monthly paycheck. It's not always easy, but it's 100% worth it. So what are you waiting for? Start creating today and watch your earnings grow. When you see me coming every day, it means there is something I'm gaining. So like on 21st of every month, we receive our money. We don't go to wait for salary. It's a compliment. So which one is our main streams of income? Put it in the comment section. You guys, do you hit that subscribe button? You can also like the video. You can go ahead and share this one to your friends, to your contacts, such that they can know there is money. It's not a hearsay. I'm very glad to share with you that I earn on every damn 21st of every month. And this is how I do it. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.